In this video, you will learn how to add developer tab in Microsoft Excel. Currently, you can see here the developer tab is missing from our ribbons, and I am interested to add the developer tab in this ribbon. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, go to File menu, and here you will find the option of More. Select Options. From Option, you will find the option of Customize Ribbon. Select this one, and from here scroll down. You can see here there are two tabs. First one is the Popular Commands and second one is the Main tab. Select Developer from Main tab. If I scroll down, here you will find the option of Developer. Click on it. After doing that, simply click on OK. Now you can see here the developer tab is added in our ribbon. Secondly, you will learn how to remove this developer tab. If you want to remove developer tab, simply repeat that procedure. Place your cursor anywhere on ribbon, right click, go to Customize Ribbon, and here you will find the option of Developer. Select this one and click on OK. Now you can see here the developer tab is removed from our ribbon. Additionally, you can also use a shortcut to add developer tab. Simply place your cursor on ribbon, right click, go to Customize the ribbon, and from here simply select developer and press OK. By doing so, you can also add developer tab in the ribbons. So you can use either of these methods to add or remove developer tab from Microsoft Excel. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.